library is a really strong partner for us. So I mentioned that our National Week of Service was coming up in June and asked if they had any projects that we could contribute to. The director mentioned that they had little free libraries that had been in storage, unable to be completed for several months. And she said it would be a huge contribution if we could have enough volunteers to come on site for a couple of hours and finish those libraries so they could get them out into the community.
In my town, I'm from Contractual, and my kids use it at the park. They always get tons of books, and then when they're done reading them, we donate them back.
I've seen the library houses in and around Indianapolis, and I thought that was a cool project. And when we got the opportunity, this was the one that I wanted to really sign up for.
The good thing about the little free libraries is that people can give and take. So when they finish the book, they can put it back in the library, any of the little free libraries, and they can take a different one. So it's a constant rotating collection. We're not open 24/7, so it gives people the opportunity to go to a little free library and get a book for the day. I can see us working together more in the future.